Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install and configure NFS on Debian 11.3. Network file sharing is a protocol that permits you to share directories and files with other Linux client through a network. First I will check the OS version. I am used to Debian version 11. Next I am going to install the NFS server by using following commands. After installing the NFS server, next now I am going to create the directory for the sharing to client machine. I can create the test2. After the directories is created, then give the permission of those directories. I have give full permission on the test2 directory. After that, now I am give the access to folder for the share to client machine. So open the export file. Enter the directory. And enter the client machine IP address. And enter the permission. Again enter the test2 directory. Enter the client machine IP address. Enter the permission. After editing the file, then save and exit. After the access is given to, then restart the NFS service by using systemctl command. After restart the NFS server, next now I am going to export the share folder by using following commands. The share folder has been exported. Now I will view the folder of the shared or not to the client machine. So using following commands. My folder has been moved to my machine to client machine. After that I am moved to my client machine. This is for my another client machine. The machine was Debian machine. Next now I am going to install for the NFS client server in my client machine. After the installation, next now I'm going to check the folder are shared or not by using following commands. Next, create some folder for the mount the share folder from the server. mnt/test. Again mount the share folder. Now I will check the drive if any share folder is mounted or not by using df-h command. No share folder has been mounted. After that, I have mounted the share folder to the newly created folders from the my client machine. Enter the client machine IP address. Again mount to the test2 file directory. Enter the location test2 directory. Now again check the drive for folder is mounted correctly or not by using df-h command. The directory are mounted from the my client machine. After that share folder is mounted, then I am enter into the test directory. Next, inside the test directory, I will create some text file. I will create for the some text file, but I am not able to create the text file. Server have give only read permission only. So next now I'm going to enter into the test2 directory by using following commands. Inside the directory, I am create some files. Edit the file. After editing the file, then save and exit. So server has been read and write permission to allow for this folder. Finally, I view the text file for the executing following commands. So this is for the my text context. Reason for my test2 file directory read and write permission. So I have able to read and write this file. So this is the method you can follow for the how to install NFS server on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.